Look at that.
Oh, man.
Look at that shrimp parmesan and
Beautiful.
spaghetti.
Beautiful.
And, this is my plate, by the way. So
Welcome back to the
everybody else has got to get their own.
Today we're going to show you how to make the Shrimp Parmigiana. Excellent. Hey, before you guys continue watching this video, if you don't mind hitting that subscribe button on the bottom, we deeply appreciate it. Anyway,
Hold on 1 second. You see my mom back there behind me? She's spying on us.
yes, she wants to eat. Anyway, let's get cooking.
All right, we're gonna get our shrimp ready for our shrimp parmesan. We got some nice 13-15s here.
Those are the colossal shrimp.
Not
Beautiful.
quite.
Oh, they're not? Darn it, that's what I wanted. Colossal.
Yeah.
The bigger the better. Okay.
All right. Now I'm gonna take the tails off, but I want to show you something that that Daddy Jack showed me about more than 25 years ago. When you're taking off the tail of shrimp, don't pull it, squeeze it so all the meat comes out.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of meat in there.
Yeah. You don't want to waste it.
All right, we're gonna salt and pepper our shrimp here. I'm sorry, our flour.
Nice. Now we got our breading station already. Flour. Only thing we're missing is egg.
All right, we're gonna make our egg wash for our fried shrimp. All right, we'll start with that first. All right, gonna beat up our eggs a little bit. Put a little salt, some parsley, a little pepper. Granulated garlic, some cheese. That's it.
All right, our breading station is ready. Got our flour, our egg wash, and of course the Italian style breadcrumb.
All right, we're gonna butterfly our shrimp and put them in the flour. Okay, I'm gonna dredge our shrimp in some flour.
Let's go ahead and bread a couple so I can.
All right, we're gonna bread our shrimp now.
Wow. Very nice.
Beautiful. This is gonna be really good shrimp parmigiana.
Yes. I don't doubt it. Nice. Down to the last shrimp there. Man, look at all that shrimp. Beautiful. All right, now let's get these puppies fried up.
Right, let me see. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right,
Start frying them up.
we're gonna start frying the shrimp.
It's rosy. Looking good. Oh man. Those are some big shrimp.
All right, we're just about ready here.
Looks beautiful. Oh yeah.
Some nice shrimp. Look at that.
Yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. Oh yeah. Beautiful. All right. Shrimp are ready. Let's turn these into a little Parmesan magic.
All right, our fried shrimp is ready. We're gonna put our shrimp parmesan together now. All right. Spray the pan a little bit. Couple of shrimp. On each one. All right. Can you see?
Very nice.
What's up, nephew? Put a little Parmesan cheese on top. Nice grated mozzarella.
By the way, this is a provolone and mozzarella blend.
Yum, yum. How's that look now?
Ready for the oven. Right. Get ready to plop these in the oven.
We're gonna put these beautiful shrimp in the oven, and they're gonna come out Parmesan.
All right. All right, water's boiling.
All right, we got a nice 2-pound box of Barilla pasta here. Looks great. Maybe I'm not liking this too much. I'll grab that fork. Thank you.
All right, we'll let this cook for about 12, 13 minutes. Hey. Shrimp Parmesan is ready.
There we go, man. Look at that.
Beautiful. Oh, man.
That looks good.
Oh, yeah. Nice. We got some of that parsley on there. Oh, yeah.
Now, these are only 2 shrimp per order.
I think 3.
And look at the size. No?
That's only 2?
It's
Holy
only
shit. Those are big.
Hey, we don't mess around here, man.
Man, that's beautiful. All right, let's eat.
And you see my mom back there behind me? She's spying on us.
Yes. She wants to eat.